How to use Reddit dark mode. So hello guys, if you are using Reddit and you want to switch to dark mode, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that we will simply open Reddit app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once we click on Reddit, here you need to wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see on down right side small profile pic. So simply click on that profile. Once we click here you guys will see on top right corner three lines. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will simply click on settings. Once we click on settings, here you guys will see language viewpoint. Also when we scroll here you guys will see dark mode. So here it says auto dark mode, also light theme. So we will simply click on dark theme. Once we click on dark theme, here it will say midnight emerald, so we will simply select midnight emerald. Now here you guys will see auto dark mode, so simply click on that. Now click on sunrise sunset, and once we click on sunrise sunset, our theme will be changed to dark. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.